Hey, let's go!
Dude, that was gonna be fuck.
Tornadoes were shizzling. Why are they turning them off?
I got like no sense of.
Looks like it's going to dissipate soon. Which I hope.
Yeah, because that's a little close to home, dude.
I know, I've never seen it.
You do know if one comes to grab his ass and get in the bathtub, right?
In the fucking basement.